Imagine this. Every morning, before your day even begins, you take one simple action that quietly rewires your immunity, resets your metabolism, strengthens your heart, and upgrades your gut health. People often ask me, Dr. Lee, is there truly a natural habit so small yet so transformative? And the answer is yes. What if you started drinking garlic water every day for the next 30 days? What would actually happen inside your body? The truth is more powerful than most people realize, because when you combine hydration with one of nature's oldest medicinal ingredients, you activate biological pathways that have protected human health for thousands of years. And today, I want to walk you through what your body begins to experience day by day, system by system, when garlic water becomes a daily ritual instead of a forgotten remedy. When you start drinking garlic water every day, the first transformation occurs at a cellular level, almost imperceptibly at first. The moment allicin, the key bioactive compound in garlic, enters your system, it begins interacting with multiple biochemical pathways that are essential for the body's natural defense and repair mechanisms. Allicin is not just an antioxidant. It is a molecular signal that triggers the immune system to respond with precision, targeting harmful pathogens while simultaneously reducing unnecessary inflammation that often goes unnoticed yet silently wears down the body over time. Each sip sends a message to your cells, almost like a gentle wake-up call, encouraging them to prioritize repair and protection. Many people underestimate how profoundly a single natural compound can orchestrate such complex internal processes, yet garlic has been studied for decades for its wide-reaching effects on human biology. The interplay between allicin and the body's immune cells is remarkable. It enhances the activity of macrophages, those critical cleanup cells, allowing them to identify and remove pathogens more efficiently. At the same time, it supports the function of T cells and natural killer cells, increasing the body's readiness to neutralize threats before they become a larger problem. What most people don't realize is that this effect is cumulative. Drinking garlic water once may offer a temporary boost, but when it becomes a daily habit, the immune system recalibrates to function at a more optimal baseline, reducing the frequency of minor infections, and even bolstering resistance to stress-induced immune suppression. Beyond immunity, allicin also engages antioxidant pathways that reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging and chronic disease. Every cell is exposed to free radicals daily, and while the body has natural mechanisms to neutralize them, over time, these reactive molecules accumulate, damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Regular intake of garlic water enhances the activity of enzymes like superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase, reinforcing the body's ability to counteract this molecular wear and tear. People often notice subtle changes in energy and mental clarity once these processes are underway, because their cells are functioning more efficiently and the internal environment is less hostile. The body begins to operate with a renewed sense of balance, and the immune system, gut, and metabolic pathways start communicating more effectively. Another critical aspect is how garlic water acts as a natural antimicrobial agent. Unlike synthetic antibiotics, allicin selectively targets harmful bacteria, fungi, and even certain viruses without disturbing the beneficial microorganisms essential for gut health. This dual action, supporting immunity while maintaining a healthy microbiome, creates a foundation for systemic wellness. As the gut heals, nutrient absorption improves, and inflammation throughout the body decreases. This subtle shift is often the reason people report feeling lighter, more energetic, and less prone to digestive discomfort after consistent use. The beauty of this transformation lies in its simplicity. A single glass of garlic water is capable of initiating processes that the body naturally performs, but sometimes struggles to maintain under the stresses of modern life. Hydration combined with this natural compound ensures that allicin circulates effectively, reaching tissues that need repair and immune cells that need activation. Within days, the body starts responding, and over weeks, these changes become measurable. Energy levels stabilize, resistance to everyday stress improves, and the body develops a rhythm of self-protection that is sustainable and natural. In essence, garlic water is not a quick fix. It is a daily investment in the body's innate ability to heal, defend, and maintain balance, quietly transforming health from the inside out. Drinking garlic water every day has a profound effect on the cardiovascular system, beginning with the relaxation and improved function of blood vessels. Allicin, the key bioactive compound in garlic, has been shown to enhance the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that signals the smooth muscles in blood vessel walls to relax and expand. This process improves circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach tissue more efficiently while simultaneously reducing the strain on the heart. People often underestimate the importance of subtle improvements in vascular tone, yet these changes can significantly influence overall health, energy levels, and resilience to stress. As blood flow improves, the risk of endothelial dysfunction, the early stage of many cardiovascular diseases, decreases, creating a protective environment that supports long-term vascular health. Regular intake of garlic water encourages the body to maintain this optimal blood flow, helping to prevent hypertension and enhancing the performance of organs that rely on a steady oxygen supply. The effects on the vascular system extend beyond relaxation of blood vessels. Garlic water also influences platelet function, reducing excessive clotting without interfering with normal blood coagulation. This balance is critical because it lowers the risk of cardiovascular events while ensuring that natural repair mechanisms remain intact. Research has shown that individuals who consume garlic consistently experience measurable reduction in blood pressure, particularly systolic pressure, which is a key indicator of vascular strain. These benefits are often amplified when garlic is consumed in water first thing in the morning, allowing the body to absorb the active compounds efficiently and begin repairing vascular tissues early in the day. Allicin's impact on the vascular system also engages the angiogenesis pathways that have been central to my research. Angiogenesis, the growth of new blood vessels, is essential for repairing damaged tissues, improving oxygen delivery, and supporting healthy organ function. Garlic water provides the molecular signals that stimulate this process naturally. Unlike pharmaceutical interventions, which often target a single pathway, garlic water supports multiple aspects of vascular health simultaneously. It helps the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of blood vessels, regenerate, reducing stiffness and maintaining elasticity, which are critical for preventing cardiovascular decline over time. The cumulative effect of these vascular improvements is noticeable in energy levels, mental clarity, and physical endurance. Improved circulation ensures that every organ receives adequate oxygen and nutrients, which supports cellular metabolism and overall vitality. People often report feeling more alert and resilient, even in the midst of a demanding schedule. After just a few weeks of incorporating garlic water into their daily routine, the cardiovascular system is not only strengthened against disease, but also optimized to perform at its peak, quietly enhancing both day-to-day functionality and long-term health outcomes. Beyond direct vascular effects, garlic water also helps regulate systemic inflammation, a major contributor to cardiovascular disease. Chronic low-level inflammation damages the endothelium, disrupts blood flow, and accelerates arterial aging. Allicin works at a molecular level to reduce this inflammatory burden, allowing blood vessels to function more efficiently. This dual action, improving circulation while lowering inflammation, creates a powerful synergy that supports heart health in ways that are measurable and meaningful. The body becomes better equipped to respond to stress, recover from minor injuries, and maintain balance. Blood pressure, all without the side effects often associated with pharmaceutical solutions. Drinking garlic water is a simple habit, yet it triggers complex, multi-layered benefits within the vascular system, from enhancing nitric oxide production to supporting angiogenesis, reducing platelet overactivity, and lowering inflammation. The impact is profound. Each glass becomes a signal to the body to prioritize vascular health, repair damage, and maintain flexibility and strength. Over time, these incremental changes add up to a cardiovascular system that functions with remarkable efficiency, resilience, and vitality, demonstrating how a small daily practice can reshape the foundation of long-term health. Drinking garlic water daily has a remarkable influence on the gut and metabolism, a connection that is often overlooked yet central to overall health. The first effect begins with the gut microbiome, the complex community of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that regulate digestion, immunity, and nutrient absorption. Allicin, the bioactive compound in garlic, works selectively to suppress harmful bacteria while supporting the growth of beneficial microbes. This balance is critical because an unhealthy microbiome can trigger systemic inflammation, disrupt insulin signaling, and impair nutrient absorption. Even minor imbalances in gut bacteria can contribute to fatigue, bloating, and metabolic inefficiency. By introducing garlic water consistently, the body experiences a gradual rebalancing of these microbial populations, setting the stage for better digestion and overall systemic harmony. As the gut microbiome improves, the benefits extend far beyond digestion. Metabolism begins to stabilize as the body becomes more efficient at processing nutrients and managing blood sugar levels. Garlic water has been shown to influence pathways that regulate insulin sensitivity, helping the body avoid sharp spikes and crashes in glucose. These subtle improvements in metabolic control can lead to better appetite regulation, reduced cravings, and more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Over time, the cumulative effect of these changes can support weight management, improved fat burning, and reduced risk of metabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes. People often notice that their energy feels more steady, their minds clearer, and their bodies lighter, a direct result of the gut metabolism connection being optimized. Beyond nutrient absorption and blood sugar regulation, garlic water supports digestive efficiency in multiple ways. Allicin has mild antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects that soothe the gut lining, reducing irritation and promoting healing. This effect can help people with mild digestive discomforts, bloating, or irregular bowel movements experience relief. Improved gut function also enhances the body's ability to extract and utilize vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from food. As a result, every meal becomes more nourishing and cellular processes throughout the body are better supported. This creates a cycle in which improved gut health boosts metabolism, which in turn enhances energy levels and cellular repair. Another important dimension of garlic water's impact on metabolism is its influence on fat processing and mitochondrial efficiency. Allicin stimulates pathways that encourage the body to use stored fat as energy more effectively. This occurs in part through improved circulation and oxygen delivery, allowing mitochondria, the energy-producing structures within cells, to function optimally. Enhanced mitochondrial efficiency means cells generate more energy with less waste, which contributes to higher endurance, better focus, and an overall sense of vitality. Even subtle improvements in mitochondrial function can have far-reaching effects on day-to-day performance and long-term metabolic health. Garlic water also modulates inflammation in a way that further supports both gut and metabolic function. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a major factor that disrupts gut barrier integrity, interferes with insulin signaling, and accelerates cellular aging. By reducing inflammatory markers, garlic water allows the gut lining to remain healthy, supports stable hormone levels, and enhances metabolic efficiency. People often notice these benefits indirectly through improvements in mood, digestion, and physical performance, even before they fully understand the mechanisms at work. Consistent use of garlic water becomes a daily signal to the body that the internal environment is being protected and optimized. From supporting a healthy microbiome to stabilizing blood sugar, improving nutrient absorption, and enhancing energy production, the metabolic and gut benefits are interconnected and mutually reinforcing. Each glass contributes to a body that functions more efficiently, resists internal stressors, and thrives with greater balance. Over time, these changes create a foundation for lasting health, demonstrating how a simple habit can influence complex, interconnected biological systems in ways that are both measurable and transformative. Drinking garlic water every day gradually strengthens the body's long-term immunity while enhancing energy stability in ways that are often subtle but profoundly effective. Allicin, active compound in garlic, initiates a cascade of immune-boosting effects, signaling the body to activate and optimize its natural defense systems. The immune system is not a single entity. It is a highly coordinated network of cells, tissues, and organs that must communicate efficiently to protect the body from pathogens and repair damage. Daily intake of garlic water enhances the activity of macrophages, which are essential for identifying and neutralizing harmful invaders, while also supporting the performance of T cells and natural killer cells. This multi-level activation creates an immune environment that is prepared to respond quickly to challenges without overreacting and cause unnecessary inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. As the immune system becomes more efficient, oxidative stress begins to decrease, which is a crucial aspect of long-term cellular health. Every day, the body is exposed to environmental toxins, stress, and internal metabolic byproducts that generate free radicals. These reactive molecules can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes if left unchecked. Garlic water stimulates the body's production of antioxidant enzymes like glutathione peroxidase and superoxide dismutase, which neutralize free radicals and protect cellular structures. This support at the cellular level reduces the overall burden on the immune system, allowing it to focus on protecting the body rather than constantly repairing damage. The result is not just improved immunity, but also a steady increase in energy as cells operate more efficiently and recover more quickly from the wear and tear of daily life. In addition to cellular protection, garlic water supports systemic resilience. Chronic low-level inflammation is often silent yet pervasive, weakening immunity and draining energy over time. Allicin has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce these subtle inflammatory processes, helping the body maintain a state of balance and readiness. This allows for faster recovery from minor infections, less fatigue, and improved resilience to physical or emotional stress. People often report feeling more vibrant, focused, and physically capable after consistent use, which reflects the underlying biological changes taking place. Energy stability is also enhanced through improved metabolic efficiency. Garlic water supports better blood sugar regulation, more effective mitochondria energy production, and optimized nutrient absorption, all of which contribute to sustained energy throughout the day. Unlike caffeine or temporary stimulants, which create spikes and crashes, this natural approach enables the body to maintain a steady supply of fuel to its cells. As a result, both mental clarity and physical performance improve, create a sense of endurance that persists even during long or demanding days. Furthermore, the protective effects of garlic water extend to both acute and long-term immunity. By maintaining a healthy balance in the gut microbiome and supporting vascular and cellular health, garlic water creates an internal environment that is less hospitable to pathogens while more supportive of tissue repair and regeneration. The combination of enhanced immune surveillance, reduced oxidative stress, and improved metabolic balance allows the body to respond more effectively to infections, environmental stressors, and daily challenges. Regular consumption of garlic water becomes a simple but powerful investment in health, one that gradually accumulates benefits in immunity, energy, and overall resilience. Each day reinforces the body's ability to defend, repair, and sustain itself at an optimal level. Over weeks, the cumulative effect of this consistent support becomes evident in a stronger immune system, reduced fatigue, and a heightened capacity to maintain balance in the face of daily stressors. The body begins to function with a renewed sense of stability and vitality, demonstrating the extraordinary potential of a simple, natural habit to influence health in profound and lasting ways. So, if you're wondering whether something as simple as garlic water can truly change your body in 30 days, the answer is yes, because it's not about magic, it's about biology. Your body is built to heal, to strengthen, to restore. It just needs the right signals. And every sip sends one powerful message: support, repair, protect. So begin today. Give your body the chance to show you what it's capable of when one small daily choice opens the door to extraordinary transformation. And remember, you are just 1 month away from discovering a version of yourself you didn't realize was waiting to emerge.